Hi everyone, trust you all are doing well, and I just want to say thank you guys for supporting the channel, watching our videos. Really appreciate you. And I just want to give a shout out to Aiden and for the membership. Really appreciate you as well. Thank you, sir. All right, what we're going to do in this episode is we're going to deal with the hybrid between getting server-side props and getting static props. Just remember, just the difference between the two. Getting static generation, what happens is it compiles the HTML once with the data and it used that same HTML with every subsequent request. All right. And server-side rendering, on the other hand, every request gets new HTML. All right. Now, how do we get the hybrid between the two? It's called Incremental Static Regeneration. So what that does is we still use the static props. All right. So getStaticProps. We still use this property. All right. But what we do is we add another property. When we return the data, remember the articles right here that we return, that we receive, and we map over right here. This data right here, just underneath our props, what we do is we add revalidate property like this, and now next to it we add the time limit in seconds. So every 20 seconds right here, so we add that in there. So every 20 seconds now. So what will happen now is instead of our whole site to be rebuilt again, it will only update this page right here every 20 seconds with the right data right here. All right, so what will happen is, let's say someone comes to our articles right here. So they look at the page, and if they come here again, if it's 10 seconds, they will be served with the same data. So if they come in 21 seconds or 20 seconds, they will get the new data being displayed to them like there. Right, so that's it. So just a short video for you guys on that. And what we want to do in the next episode, we want to add obviously anchor tags so we can click through to the different articles right here dynamically. And I'll show you another property how we can do that in the next episode. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Adios.